That's the best welding and grinding I have done. Hey guys, on this episode, we're gonna mess with the door a little bit more. I got some measurements and kind of crude drawings of what I'm thinking about doing. I might show you that, and then we're gonna come back over here and mess with the dash some more. I think we're gonna try to at least get it tacked in, maybe rough ground. Try to get that far. I want to spend some time on the door, getting it to fit better. I'm gonna take some screws out. I'm gonna try to tighten the door bolts down to where I think they need to be, and maybe that'll give us the right height we need. It could bring that bottom in to where we need it, and hopefully if everything works right, it'll fit perfect. But we'll look at that. Like I said, need to tighten them up, kind of push the door up a little bit, and then if we get the door kind of sitting where it needs to be, I might try to put the outer rocker in there and maybe the fender again. I'm not sure, but after that, like I said, we'll jump back on the dash, put some more tacks in it, hopefully get it all filled up, and then fit it with the grinder. I'm not trying to gouge into the metal. I'm gonna try to be super careful and just knock the top of the welds down, and then finish grinding with this and a finer grit pad that we have back here behind me. But other than that, probably not much. So let's get over there and I'll kind of show you. All right, so this is where we're spending some time tonight. Like I said, these hinges aren't down tight, so I think that's making the door sag. So we'll kind of lift up a little bit and tighten them. Maybe they'll make this come up, and maybe tightening that will bring this back in. Do that right quick, see what that gives us, and then look at the drawing I made, which is really kind of crude, but off the comments, it's 39.5 opening, 39 3/8 from the back to the fender, 21 inches from the floor to the bottom of the cowl, and this little piece right here is 1.5 inches from the fender to the top of that, which that piece, this piece right here, oops, right here, so 1.5 inches here, so that looks almost right. Well, needs to, let's say, come up, but we'll put the fender on it and see what happens. Right now it's sitting, it looks to me about 2 inches at the top of this, so that means this needs to come up another 1/2 inch. So that would mean that we have to cut this a little bit to bring it up, which then in there looks like it could be 1/2 inch off too. So might cut up here just a little bit and over, bring this up. That in turn would bring the whole door up, but I'm not going to cut anything tonight. Let me know in the comments if you think that's a good idea. Cutting, you know, 1/2 inch up here, raising this further up. I have to do something with this. Anyways, seeing if that will work, if that'll get us to where we need. But like I said, tonight we're going to tighten the bolts down, kind of push the door up as far as we can, and may look at the outer rocker a little bit and try to figure out what's going on down here. And then the rest of the time we're gonna try to finish up welding that, tacking that all together, maybe rough grinding it a little bit. But let's get to messing with stuff. Okay, so I pushed it up all the way in and made this a little bit better, but it's real tight still. This is about as far back as it can go, and I still have a big overlap right through here. So it's telling me that the bottom of this is not right. Top here I think is close. I want to check something. And moving it up, brought it up a little bit more. I think we're almost there. Don't really know what to do to make this go that way without moving the top. Surely this door is the same length. Might check that here in a minute. Getting kind of frustrated, so I may leave it right here for now. Come back and look at it. Really want to get something done, so I think we're going to start in on that and start just plugging away. Just a side note here, I did measure the top and bottom of the door, and it came to 38 7/8. So we should theoretically be able to fit the door in there, because I did get as close to 39 from the hinges to the back. So I don't know if this is flexing too much. It feels pretty sturdy. Yeah, I know the door is what it is. I mean, so we may have to notch back in here a little bit to relieve some pressure and make it go this way just a hair, and cut up just a bit to bring it up. Let me know in the comments, like I said, if that's a thing to do, because I have no clue. Of course, I'll take it back any and up any, then we have to do something with that tab that connects it, welds it to this. Yeah, let me know what y'all think too. If we raise it up, that'd bring this up to here. I could weld it here, but yeah, we got a little bit better. But let's go there and start welding. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. I am impressed by myself, if I do say so. You can feel it's kind of wavy, but that's the best welding and grinding I have done. Which a little bit of Bondo over that will probably do a lot for it. Still got some holes to plug, but I like how it's coming out. Next time we'll probably try to finish this out, plug in any holes that we need, regrind them down, go back over them with the little air tool here. I'm gonna start working our way across the dash both ways. I think Kevin mentioned if I do want a roll cage in here and use my glove box, I have to move it over 6 inches. So basically it'd be over here. And I'm not sure if I'm up for that just yet. See how this turns out, then maybe. But I would like to put a roll cage in this. So that may be something that I'll look at in the future about doing before we do final paint and all that. But that's with that. A little closer look. I don't think it look half bad. I mean, it's a lot better than kind of what I did before. You can see right through here looks pretty bad, and of course that spot back over there. But let's go around to the door right quick. If y'all have any ideas, like I say, please leave in the comments below. Have it kind of up there, but I may reach out to some people I know that kind of do this somewhat for a living and see if they can't help me get it all together while all I have to do is just weld. But until then, you know, please let me know what your thoughts are on what I should do. I think that'll do it for me tonight. Well, that's all I got for you tonight. Like I said, we're gonna be going back at the door, trying to figure it out some more, and we'll try to finish grinding down that dash at least well enough that we put a skim coat of Bondo on it, and hopefully it'll turn out all right. Like I said, I may get somebody out here to help with that. But that's all I got for you tonight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.